think it just... Oh no, it didn't shut off. Looking at the RS3 today. So, in the RS3 now. That's the A3 over there. The brakes are quite heavy. Driving it normally, it sounds like a 6-cylinder Captiva or a Kluger, to be honest. But let's see how it goes when we actually give it some beans. Oh. Okay. All right. Can hear the turbo whistling as well, which is pretty good. Stop here because I want to adjust the drive settings. Oh, okay, so the stability control is off here, so let's go with, hold on, see how RS Torque rear feels. So this should be rear wheel drive. Ooh. It feels more responsive in RS Performance Torque rear mode. This engine comes to life when you really give it some. No, there are cars. Damn. Okay. Is pretty sharp. I'm pretty surprised that an Audi can handle this well, I have to say, as they're known for their understeer. What about the exhaust? I think, yeah, I can feel the understeer coming in. And people are looking at me weird now. I think I should stop doing this. Oh no, oh no. We'll just park it here. Oh, actually this is not a very good spot to give you some exhaust revs. We'll park down here. Alright, now I'll show show you how the RS3 sounds like. So what if we drove it in our normal settings? So if we go with, so as you can tell, the exhaust is much more quieter, and it goes into the auto start stop feature as well. So we'll go into comfort, and we probably want to turn off the auto start stop. So we did that. Handbrake off. You can still hear the exhaust burbles when changing gears. In terms of ride comfort and comfort mode, it is much more comfortable. Brakes kind of feel lighter, I think, or maybe I'm just getting used to the RS3, which is quite dangerous. But yeah, that's in comfort. And then what if we go into dynamic, sport mode gearbox? A bit more crackles in the exhaust. Gearbox feels like a torque converter pretty much, but it is a dual clutch, so no torque converter here. I've noticed in the new Volkswagen Audi products, their indicators don't sync very well. Like they have sort of like an off, the synchronization is off, and even the brake lights, when you brake on some VW cars, they actually, like, some of the brake light components come on later, a little bit later. It's kind of extreme OCD, but it is what it is. So this is in comfort mode, pretty much like a normal A3. Although I have to say, compared to a normal A3, this has way less body roll. So still a lot stiffer as well. But yeah, this is the new RS3. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll hope to see you all in the next video. Cheers!